Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Okay, we will wish all your people good health. We want to peace everywhere in the world. We need peace. We pray for peace, and we work with the friendly atmosphere, and all office staff work with very friendly, work for the company heartily, by heart. You know, कोई भी काम करने के टाइम में दिल से काम करो. मेरा एक भी मैसेज है, चाहे साइट में जाए या ऑफिस में, दिल से जो आदमी काम करता है वो आदमी कभी भी अल्लाह ने एक्सेप्ट करेगा. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वी वर्क विद very heartfully, very important. You work with the heart, you will be success in your life. Even your company, or you are working in outside, or your home. Your home also same like company. If you are working in your home, you are love your children, you love your wife, and you love your mother and father. Very important. Then you will be a success in company also. Company is giving you the good support for supporting your family. So if company grow, you also grow. Inshallah, Muzain, we started with a small company. We become very good, and this is the reason for you people are did these things, but not with myself. It is all our efforts, all our support, all our hard work. This is the thing we get success in Muzain here, and we need same support continuously and heartily. I need always you people support me by heart. This is only. Niya is there, baraka is there. Niya means आपका पास दिल से, दिल में अच्छा है, हमको कंपनी को अच्छा करना है, हमारा फैमिली भी अच्छा होना है, तो हमको बरका आएगा. अल्लाह ऑटोमेटिकली बरकत देगा हम लोग को. ये एक याद रखने का. 2016 years is very crucial here. Everybody in the world, they are facing so many global warming. Means there is so many clash between job wise. In Saudi Arabia, yesterday news, more than 100,000 people leaving from the country because of the jobless. Okay, we are lucky here as a Muzain. I pray for all our employees continuously working without any problem. We pray for Allah. Ameen. We pray for Allah and success in our company, and we work for everybody, every family getting success. All your success is our success. Your teamwork is our teamwork. Okay, we make a good teamwork everywhere, and we enjoy like every year. We cut not this cake. We are gathering with the beach camp, and we make also the. But we have one more party that our all workers together. We want to make one beach camp party and success our all 2015 successful shutdown work. Okay, so it will become very soon. We will announce soon also. Inshallah. I thanks for all our workers, especially in our admin. We are people like, we want to get your more support, more and more support. You don't say I am in transport, I do like this. No, you should work as a team, more and more. Take more responsibility. So then we will success. Okay. Thank you very much for coming with us, being with us, and today a very good vacation. We hope this cake will be giving a very surprise for us in 2016. Inshallah, we all Allah keep very good health. I pray for only for people health. Very important. Very important. We are health is there. Definitely, Allah will give everywhere wealth. Definitely. Okay. Inshallah, we successful. All our workers which is working for us in every project, like Shark, like Rabi, like APPC, like SIPCAM, really difficult job, SIPCAM, everywhere they work very good. And I thankful all department people to work with a very heartily, and they made a success in Muzain company too. grow up like this. Thank you very much once again. Wish you all the best. Wish you all 2016 gracious years to us, inshallah. So, who is senior here? Senior? Senior? Elamaran. Come. And Chris here. Chris also Elamaran. Yeah. You want to come here? Come, Elamaran. See, always respect our seniors. Very important. It's like our main pillar. So that senior, where is Mohammed Hussain? Father?
He already left.
Already left?
Yes.
Okay, Chacha, idhar aao. Now you come here also. Anybody seniors?
Senior citizen कोई है?
Seniors.
Senior citizen, huh?